Hello, my beautiful people. What a wonderful day it is. A perfect day for some painting. Let's go! Guys, it has literally been so long since I did a video. Oh my gosh. Like, do I have an excuse? Not really. I'm sorry to disappoint. But I am here, and I am back. And we have so much to catch up on, so let me fill you in. The month of May has been super busy for me. It's been jam-packed full of birthdays and friends, lots of roller skating and football, and yeah, just lots of different things, good and bad. Like, to be honest, this month I've actually been pretty sick, like cold, maybe not a cold, probably worse than a cold, but we'll call it a cold. But yeah, I'm trying very hard to keep the positive vibes flowing. It's so easy in life to get down, and I do find myself getting down sometimes. But, you know, after a day or two of moping around and feeling a bit sorry for yourself, this is when you pick yourself up and say, alright, it's enough. I want to be happy again. And then you be happy, and you do the fun things that you enjoy, and you tell your sad little bum, get up and go outside into the sunshine. And then you look around at the world and you think, actually, life isn't so bad. What was I on about? And you carry on. Let's paint some lalo yellow. Okay, so I just want to apologize in advance for this terrible camera angle. Like, what was I thinking? My head is blocking the whole painting. But obviously I was so engrossed in doing this cute little painting that I didn't know that I was covering the whole thing with my head. Also, you may have noticed that the swirls magically turned into a little pink fluffy cloud. That was, you're not going crazy, trust me. So that was, my camera died, for one thing, and also, I decided that it just didn't really suit that area, so I got rid of them. And yeah, I'm liking the way it's looking. I also I flicked my brush to add a little starry galaxy effect on the cool alien side. Thank you guys for joining me on this fabulous painting adventure. I had so much fun chilling with you guys and painting this Rick and Morty extravaganza thingy. Please like and comment on this video if you enjoyed it. Also, go have a look at some of my other videos, and subscribers are always so much appreciated. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.